Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. Guys, right here I'm gonna make some delicious fruit smoothie. That's it guys. Alright, I have some frozen strawberry, some frozen pineapple, I have one mango, one ripe banana, a little bit of ginger, a slice of watermelon, and I'm just gonna add some coconut water to that. Alright, I'm gonna prepare all of this and then we're gonna get blending. And I'm gonna use a few cubes of crushed ice. I add about 1.5 of apple. I cut them up and wash them with the skin and everything. And I have some crushed ice. Alright. And I'm gonna add a little bit of honey. I'm gonna add my juicy melon. I'm gonna add the apple and the ginger. Go in with the pineapples, the strawberries, then I'm gonna go in with the juicy mangoes, a whole blender guys, big blender full, and the bananas. Ooh yes. Just want to make sure you squeeze them down, make sure it whole. Yes, a whole big blender of fruit smoothie. All right, I'm gonna top about a tablespoon of honey. You can leave out the honey, but because I'm gonna add the crushed ice, I'm just adding back a little bit of sweet. So roughly a tablespoon. I'm gonna add about a cup of this coconut water just to get it blend up, and after I'm gonna add the crushed ice. All right, so we're gonna blend. And we're gonna blend smoothie. All right, so this is it guys. Now I'm gonna add some of the ice. Can you see the goodness there? Woo. And I'm gonna blend it a little bit more. And that's it guys, all ready. Look at the goodness. Woo! I'm gonna pour out some guys. Really yummy and healthy. Right guys, let's pour some out. I'm just gonna add a straw, and I'm gonna add a lemon slice. Whoop. And guys, this is the final result, my delicious yummy fruit smoothie. Guys, this is good for on the go, for breakfast, for lunch, for brunch. You can have it even for dinner, any time of the day. All right guys, really healthy, all natural. You can add more fruits or you can take out some. It's up to you guys. Make it however you want. I'm gonna dive right in. Yes, yes. Love upon me and I love upon you. You have a wonderful day and put God first. Bye guys. Be blessed.